How do you want to improve your asset performance? Do you want to implement condition-based maintenance or time-based preventive maintenance? Conventional approaches for getting your plant equipment conditions, alarms, events, and running hours will not help you to implement fully automated condition maintenance management with your Maximo solution. Envision presents iArms IoT Gateway for Maximo with pre-configured technical and functional integration that makes your integration easy to deploy, configure, and fully automate. iArms IoT Gateway is the most versatile, configurable IoT gateway solution that integrates with plant automation systems to enterprise applications. iArms comes with pre-built interfaces to most known plant automation systems like OPC DA, OPC AE, OPC HDA, OPC UA, MODBUS TCP, MODBUS RTU, RP570, Cotinel, Profibus, IEC 6870-5-101-104, IEC 61850, DNP3, BACKNET, LONWORKS and CANBUS. iArms is the most preferred unified gateway for your plant automation data acquisition solution. iArms makes interfacing plant equipment with IBM Maximo easy and configurable. iArms quickly understands your automation interface and starts collecting identified tags or parameter information for alarms, events, conditions, and counters like running hours. It understands your present assets, their meters and counters, and gauges configuration linked to respective assets. With an easy drag and drop user interface, or through an Excel upload, you can map the automation tags with Maximo meters. The solution is up and running in a 3-step process, which reduces complex configuration and tedious efforts. iArms IoT Gateway provides historical trend data and current data with Maximo application without overloading the Maximo database. This will help maintenance planners to navigate to present and past trends along with trends of other associated equipment parameters before approving the work order. Trend history also helps the maintenance team to analyze the failure type and cause, and thus helps in better decision making. iArms also predicts the failure by applying algorithms for failure prediction, root cause analysis, and anomaly detection. Several Maximo customers in oil and gas, power generation, ports, terminals, facilities, buildings, utilities, and manufacturing deploy iArms IoT Gateway for condition-based asset management and time-based preventative maintenances. Be it condition monitoring, plant performance monitoring, predictive maintenance, manufacturing analytics, production management, or cost optimization, iArms is bridging plant automation and enterprise worlds. For more information, please visit our website www.envisionesl.com.